Hmm?
Kids, good morning everyone. Are you fine? Yes. Okay. Welcome to today's class. Children, what had we learned in the previous class? Yes, about the alphabet, no? About the alphabet. Today we are going to learn about the vowels and the consonants. Vowels and the consonants. Okay? See, children, how many members are there in alphabet family? We had learned, no? How many members are there in alphabet family? Yes, very good. 26, no? How many members? 26 members. Who are they? Z. All are here. All members are here. A, B, C, D, E, F. Like this up to Z. All members are already here. No? These are the members in alphabet family. Okay? And out of these, 5 members are very special. 5 members are very special. Who are they? Who are they? All of you look here. Let me pick out those 5 members. Who are they? See? A, E, I, O and U. Okay? These are the 5 special members. Okay? So let me write here. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These members, that means these letters are called vowels. They are called vowels. All these letters are very special. Okay? A, E, I, O, U. Say together with me. All of you say A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. Okay? These are vowels. So, let me rub it. These 5 letters A, okay, E, then I, then O, then U. Yes. The rest of the letters, that means except A, E, I, O, U. E letters orige. Then the rest of the letters, ബാക്കിയുള്ള, they are called consonants. They are called consonants. Okay? So, how many vowels are there? How many vowels are there? 5. How many vowels are there? 5. Which are they? Try to say, which are they? A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. These are the vowels. And except these, that means A, E, I, O, U. E letters ഒഴികെ ബാക്കിയുള്ളതിനെ പറയുന്നതാണ് ഇത് consonants. Consonants. All of you look here. See how many consonants are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So how many consonants are there? Yes, 21. Okay, and how many vowels? How many vowels? 5. How many vowels are there? 5 vowels. These members are very special, no? In alphabet family, these are very special. Which are they? Who are they? A, E, I, O, U. Did you get? Did you get? Which are the vowels? Say together. A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. These letters are called vowels. Okay? Then next, consonants. That means except vowels. Except these 5 letters are called consonants. Consonants. So how many consonants are there? 21. How many consonants are there? 21. Very good. Did you understand? Did you understand, children? Yes. Now all of you take your textbook. In our textbook, see page number 5 in chapter 2, page number 5. Okay? Vowels and consonants. In the alphabet, there are 5 special letters. How many special letters are there? 5. They are A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. These are called vowels. All the other letters are called consonants. All the other letters, that means except A, E, I, O, U. Except A, E, I, O, U. Rest of the letters are called consonants. So how many consonants are there? 21. 21. Very good. And in our textbook we have exercise is given here. See the pictures and complete the words. Remember to fill in vowels in the blanks. So some examples I will give you. Some examples. See, all of you look at the board. We have to write here vowels. Here is the vowel is missing here. Can you guess which word is this? Can you guess it? Which word is this? See the word C dash P. Which is the missing letter? Which is the missing letter? Can you say? Can you say? Yes. A. Yeah. A is a vowel, no? A is vowel. So the word we got cap. Which word is this? Cap. Okay. See the next one. B dash S. Which is the missing letter? Which is the missing letter? Here is, we have to write vowel. So which one is missing? Which one is missing? Yes, U. This word is, the word is bus. Bus. B-U-S. Bus. See the next one. L dash M P. Try to say which word is this? Which is the missing letter? Which is the missing letter? Yes, A. Yeah, very good. A. So the word is lamp. Lamp. And the next is D dash double L. Which word is missing? So which letter is missing? Which letter is missing? S O. All these are vowels. No? So we got the words. Which are the words? Camp, bus, lamp, doll, etc. And next, see, we have to fill up here the consonants. Fill up consonants here. N, E, dash, K. Can you say which word is missing? Can you say? Here we have to write the consonants, not vowel. So A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, no? So here we have to write consonants. So which spelling is missing here? Yeah. Yes, C. So we get the word neck. How to read this word? Neck. Okay. And the next is M, A, dash, dash, O. Which are the missing letters? Which are the missing letters here? Which are the missing letters? And you have to write the consonants here. Okay? Yes, it's a fruit name, no? Yes, mango. So, spell the word mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Good, very good. And the last one, O. Here is only one letter is given here. O. We have to add two more letters. So, which are the letters? It's bird name. I will give you a clue. It's a bird name. Which is that? Yes, owl. Okay. O-W-L. O-W-L. Owl. It's a bird, no? Okay, very good. Like this, in your grammar textbook, we have here exercise is given here. We have to do. So, try to do here. Use vowels. Okay? Use vowels. See the pictures and complete the words. Remember to fill in vowels in the blanks. We have to write vowels in the blanks. Okay? Not consonants are. We have to write the vowels. Okay? The first one, C dash P. All these are very simple. You already learned in the LKG, UKG classes. All these words are familiar. So see the picture and do. Okay? And the next page also. That's also homework for you. Children, see the pictures and complete the words. Remember to fill in consonants in the blanks. Here we have to fill up the consonants. Okay? So try to do these two pages, page number 5 and 6. So what we had learned about vowels and consonants. Okay? In alphabet family, 5 members are very special. Who are they? A, E, I, O, U. These letters are called vowels. And the rest of the letters are called consonants. So how many consonants are there? 21. 21 consonants. Okay? Did you get? Okay. So try to do homework. And if you have any doubt, call me at any time. Okay? Let's wind up today's class. Okay, children? Stay safe at home. Thank you. Bye-bye.